Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is 4 reasons why you want to start an online business and work from home. Now with that being said, let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Steven and this channel is about how to make money online and make some passive income. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel because I've got content coming out every single day and you do not want to miss out on that. A lot of people want to start their own business because that will do things that your job that working for somebody will just not do. You don't have to answer to people, you don't have any time constraints, and time is the biggest asset that you actually have, and starting your online business will enable you to do whatever you want to do with that time, even though you do still have to work, because an online business is just not just free money pouring into your bank account. You do have to put in some work, but it will enable you to do the work whenever you feel like doing the work and not when somebody tells you to go there. You don't have to be somewhere and things like that. So the first reason why you want to start an online business is scalability. You see, an online business, if you can make $1, you can make $2. If you make $1,000, you can make $2,000. You can make 20,000, 50,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million. It doesn't really matter. As long as you get that first step and you start making a bit of money, you can make more and more and more. And that's just the nature of an online business, which you don't get in a brick and mortar business. The other thing is you have very low upfront costs. You see, if you were to start up a McDonald's or a KFC, you would probably have to spend like $600,000, $800,000, and this could be very expensive. And that's why in the old days it was very hard to start a business, because you would have to go to the bank and get a loan. It would be very hard, and if you didn't have any money, you weren't starting your own business. It was just like that. With an online business, it's very different, because you don't have to spend $600,000 to start an online business, or $800,000. That's just the way it is, because nobody is going to ask you to pay that amount of money. If you were to open up a McDonald's, it would probably be successful, because McDonald's just are, everybody knows what a McDonald's is, and it's very unlikely that it would fail. However, it would be very hard to make a lot of money by opening a McDonald's, even though you spent $800,000 trying to open it. So the next thing is you can model other people's success. Because you see people online and you have to just search for somebody online that has the success that you're looking for, whether it's the business model, whether it's, that type of income that they're making, or all sorts of different things. But these people are always on the internet. They're on YouTube just like I am. They're on blogs, they're on all sorts of different things, on Facebook groups. And all you have to do is just model their success. So you just have to do what they're doing. They usually tell you, like I tell you, how to make money online. You just have to follow the steps and actually get through it. Is it going to be easy? No, absolutely not. But it's way easier than starting a business down the road, which isn't going to make you much money anyway. The next thing is it gives you freedom. It gives you time freedom, like we just talked about, but it also gives you scalability. It gives you freedom, and that's just because it's so scalable and you can make so much money. Like, there are tons of people on the internet that work by themselves and make millions of dollars. It gives you the freedom to spend your money on whatever you want and have enough money to spend it. It gives you the freedom to travel. It gives you like location freedom, whether, you can be pretty much anywhere just as long as you have an internet connection, which 99% of the world probably has, and don't quote me on that because I'll probably get it all wrong and you'll say like You know, in Africa, those people don't have internet very much, and it's a lot more than 99% of people that don't have internet, but you get the idea. So you can have location freedom as long as you have an internet connection. And it doesn't even have to be on your Airbnb. As long as there's the McDonald's around, you probably will have an internet connection. So it's very easy to be wherever you want when you have an online business that's actually running. The other thing is it's worldwide, and that's a lot to do with scalability as well, but it allows you to grow so much faster than some other business that wouldn't be worldwide. You can grow so much faster because you can reach so many other people, and your impact will be so much bigger than if you were to open a store down the street. You would have the people that live around you that would probably buy something from you if they need it. But when you have an online business, no matter what niche you're in, you can reach people from all over the world. It doesn't really matter. Like, I'm in France. If you're watching this from the US, it actually works. Like, anybody can watch my videos on YouTube, and that's the biggest part of an online business. Now, there are a few different online businesses. Like, I do mostly affiliate marketing and trying to help you make passive income online. But there are a ton of other online businesses that actually work. So you just have to find the one that actually suits you and do that, because some businesses require you to have a lot less location freedom because you have to fulfill orders and things like that. But mostly it's not the case. So if you're looking to have freedom, I highly suggest that you build an online business. Now, it does sound really awesome and everything like that, but I did want to say that it's not going to be easy. It's going to be very hard because otherwise would do it. So it's going to be hard. You will want to give up at some point, but you just have to like push through it, because at the beginning you just won't get the results that you're looking for, and you'll be wondering why all these people are making so much money and you're not. The reason this is because they just pushed through even when it was hard. That's the only reason why those people are making money and you might not be when you first start. So you just have to push through, and you have to be bigger than the problem that's in front of you, because you will run into roadblocks. That's just the way it is. So you just have to push through it and get there. So with that being said, this was today's video. I do put out content every single day, so you don't want to miss out on my videos. So make sure that you do hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Also, leave me a comment, because I always appreciate like all your feedback, and I really enjoy seeing those, and I always respond to those comments. Give me a like as well, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.